Hi guys, I'm trying to fix a Samsung 60-inch plasma TV. The problem I have is vertical green line on the right side of the screen. It's like a 5 centimeter of the area on the right side where I can see some matrix kind of green lines. So I have this model here. Let me show you. It's PS60F5505. I'm hoping to fix it somehow. I have tried to take out the ribbons and clean them and reseat them, and did the same thing on the bottom here, and actually also tried to take out all the ribbons and clean them and put them back on place. The problem is still there. I can try to show you how it looks like. So use a mirror just to get under there. And that's only on the right side. So if you can see, it's from the top to the bottom. And if I try to take out this ribbon here, which is connected to this side of the panel, then you can see that we'll get still some lines. Let me just take out the power so we don't blow anything. And then it's just to flip it up, take out this ribbon. You can see in it some heat sink paste. So if we turn the TV back on, sorry about me moving around so much. So now the ribbon is out, and I will show you what the result looks like now. As you can see, you have like a white bar which is not showing anything, and that's correct because the ribbon is out. But if you see on the left side, you can still see some pattern, and there's where the problem is. So anyone with knowledge knows if it's the board that could be error, or what kind of board could it be? Could it be the logic board, or is it maybe this part that needs to be replaced? Or do you think it's actually on the screen itself? So any help from you will be appreciated. Thank you.